Scam victims in the UK will soon have a financial safety net like nowhere else.
Assuming that they've been reasonably cautious, they will get their money back, usually within 5 days.
The victims' losses will be split between the sending and receiving banks, unless the customer was grossly negligent or acted fraudulently.
That creates this financial incentive on both sides of that transaction to take action to prevent fraud.
Major UK bank TSB has already chosen to repay its customers.
We've refunded 97% of fraud claims in the 4 years that we've offered that. And I've seen firsthand the incentive it places on us to stop fraud happening.
Last year, under a voluntary code, the UK's major banks returned 2/3 of the transactions they were responsible for. But now regulators have gone even further.
We need to get this fraud out of the system, otherwise it will start to undermine all the things that we actually rely on our payment systems to do.
Here in Australia, consumer groups say we're way behind and bank customers deserve better.
I think there's been a market failure in Australia.
More than $3 billion was lost to scams in Australia last year. The Big Four banks reimbursed their customers between just 2% and 5%. The federal government says tougher obligations for banks are coming and could include compensation.
When you look at what the UK does, we'll probably look at something which travels in the same direction.
But that's likely to meet resistance from the banking industry, which has warned paying victims would make Australia more attractive to scammers. Michael Atkin, ABC News.